These are the two books which we have written, me and my brother. One is Alochimpajese and second one is Alochimpajese 2. So these books were available on Amazon long back and we had huge number of sales. But later on, they were out of stock from past 1.5 2 years. We too did not take so much of interest to get them back in stock in Amazon. So now we are trying to give these books to our customers, not for sale, but those customers who would do shopping of more than 1,000 and above, you will be getting one book of the combination of these two books. That is, in the first book we have 100 quotations, in the second book we have 100 quotations, together 200 quotations in one single book. That book will be presented to you. I'll read out one quotation for you. అందరికీ నచ్చకపోవడం తప్పు కాదు, అందరికీ నచ్చాలి అనుకోవడం తప్పు. గాంధీ కూడా గాడ్సేకి నచ్చలేదు, కృష్ణుడు కూడా కంసుడికి నచ్చలేదు, చివరికి దేవుడు కూడా అందరికీ నచ్చలేదు. ఎవ్రీవన్ విల్ నాట్ లైక్ యూ బికాస్ ఇన్ దిస్ లైఫ్ few people will like us, few people will dislike us. It's okay.